starts anew. AI helps in all we do. Learning faster, working smart, making progress every part. AI lights the way ahead, helping dreams become widespread. Side by side we'll learn and grow, building futures as we go. From the classroom to the store, opening every single door, saving time and lending care, making life easier everywhere. AI lights the way ahead, helping dreams become widespread. Side by side we'll learn and grow, building futures as we go. Use with wisdom, heart and mind, a brighter future we can find. People first with AI near, creating hope instead of fear. AI lights the way ahead, helping dreams become widespread. Side by side we'll learn and grow, building futures as we go. Together we will shape tomorrow with more joy and less sorrow. AI is a helping guide, with humanity by its side.